What a great day to be touring an absolutely beautiful condo here in sunny Estero, Florida, in the villages of Country Creek. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, little under 1,200 square feet. Got some really nice finishes and got an absolutely gorgeous lake and golf course view. So stay tuned till the end because we're going to tell you just exactly how this could be yours today. All right, let's go in and take a look. So there it is. If you'd like more information to find out how this could be yours today, give us a call, shoot us a text, 239-233-4060. Jim Neal with Epic Realty. This condo is listed a little under $300,000 and can be yours today. All right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future home tours that are coming up. Take care and have a great day.